So I've recently moved into this new space with a lot of extra outdoor space, and I've been wanting to add security cameras to my smart home setup. Luckily, Noorio sent me their new totally wireless outdoor security camera. Now, they did send me this and sponsor this video, but all of these opinions here are my own. Let me tell you a little bit about this thing while we unbox it. So this thing is entirely weatherproof, entirely wireless, and more importantly has its own built-in internal storage. So this is a great candidate for a standalone set it and forget it outdoor security camera. And they're well priced, ranging from $100 to $170 depending on the quality of video and storage that you pick. There's all the features you'd expect, like AI motion detection, night vision, two-way audio, but let's just set this up and show it to you guys. But first things first, the most important part. While we're setting this up, you'll notice a few things on the camera. The first thing is this big light here at the front. This thing has a huge floodlight that could illuminate any space. You could automate it or set it up with motion. Here on the bottom, you have the charging port. This thing has a 6-month battery life. You only have to charge it twice a year. Then you have the pairing button and the little mount here. Now let's get this thing mounted up. We're going to grab the mount out of the box and bring it outside here, screw it into the wall. Then the camera just threads on like this and setup is literally done. No wires, no nothing. Let's jump into the app here and see what it looks like. This is the 2K version of the camera I have. They also have a 1080p here. It's crystal clear video. This is pulled right off the camera. You have no issue making out faces or anything in this thing. And this is the floodlight I was talking about. Again, this thing is crazy, crazy bright. Jumping on here over into the app, like I said, there's a whole bunch of different security features. You can set it to behave differently for motion detection, whether you're sleeping, home, or away. This is super useful. Going over events, you can see all the different recordings the camera has made based on motion, sound, however you decide to program it. And here in the security section, you could change how all that behavior works. If you click into the camera itself, you could set it to record, view the recordings, turn on the floodlight, turn on the two-way audio. The app is just super simple to navigate. On top of that, they have an Amazon Alexa integration, which you could view through the Alexa app or through one of these Amazon Echo shows if you have one. I absolutely love this, and I wish Apple had a solution similar to this. Another dope feature about the camera, because it has internal storage and it's totally wireless, even if your internet goes out, this thing will record and act as needed. Great for more secluded locations. Anyway, all in all, this thing is super dope, fairly priced, works really well, and the quality's great. Check it out from my bio if you're interested, and thanks for watching.